Hey there, nature lovers! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of plant life. Today, we dive into a topic that's both essential and intriguing: excretion in plants. Let's start with a quick definition. Excretion is the process by which living organisms rid themselves of unnecessary or harmful substances. It's a vital function for maintaining overall health and balance. In the plant world, it involves two main processes: exhalation and secretion. Exhalation is the process by which plants release excess water vapor through their leaves, much like we breathe out air. This helps them maintain their water balance and stay hydrated. Secretion, on the other hand, refers to the release of certain substances like sugar or amino acids through special structures called glandular hairs on their leaves. This helps attract insects that aid in pollination, a vital process for plant reproduction. So there you have it, folks. That's a brief overview of excretion in plants, a fascinating aspect of plant biology that keeps our green friends healthy and thriving. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about plants, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.